Okay guys, what we are looking at right here, this is what we call a phase diagram. This is of water. This image provided by Pearson's awesome iBook that I use. It's great, but great image. And what this phase diagram does is when we're looking at it, what it's showing is it's showing us the relationship between pressure and temperature in the states of matter. And so we see that we have the solid, we have our liquid, and we have our vapor, which is our gas phase. And when we're looking at this, the one thing that we need to understand about temperature, what temperature actually is, remember that temperature is just the measure of the average kinetic energy in a system. Temperature is how much something is moving, how much those particles are moving around. So when we're looking at this, when we actually go from solid, liquid to gas, that it matters on how much they're moving and the energy that is inside of them. And normally when we look at energy, we've talked a lot about Q. We talked a lot about our heat that is gained, the energy that is in joules. We've talked about that a lot. But realize when we're looking here that pressure has something also to deal with it. The pressure does, as we increase the pressure, decrease the pressure, it will change our boiling points, melting points, and things like that. Because remember, those are just, it's when they're breaking their intermolecular forces or they're loosening them when they're going from a solid, liquid, and vapor. Just some points to point out here. Realize that at a specific pressure, so this is normal atmospheric pressure, pressure at sea level, that you can tell where the boiling point, melting point, and everything else is when you move from a solid. You hit that line right there, you have your normal melting point, and then you have your normal boiling point because you're moving from a liquid into a vapor or gas. Other neat point we need to point out is the triple point. Triple point is the place where all states of matter exist, the specific pressure and temperature that we have it. So this is our phase diagram.